The Air Jordan 11 silhouette. The shoe designed by Tinker Hatfield, and the inspiration came from none other than a push lawnmower. Yeah, it's true. Yo, what's going on, everybody? Lewis of the Wear Your Kicks channel back again for another special unboxing of the annual holiday Jordan 11s that we get every year. What's crazy is next year we're getting two, allegedly, according to Z Sneakerhead, those Gamma 11s plus those rare Air 11s, and people have all types of speculation as far as what the price point's gonna be and all that kind of stuff. But what we're here to discuss is what's in this box right here. If this is your first time stopping through, I appreciate you guys for being here. If it's not, appreciate you guys coming back. Make sure you guys hit that like button and all that good stuff. But here we have the traditional, kind of Jordan 11 box. Label on here reads Air Jordan 11 Retro, white, legend blue, black. Now, most of us know this shoe as being the Columbia 11s, but for whatever reason, just like they tried to do with the military blue 4s, they changed the name. Don't know what that's about, but here you open the box lid, you got your carbon fiber paper, and there you have the sneakers themselves. Let me go ahead and pull out the left shoe here, and man, these are just so clean. So clean. This white and that icy blue, as you can already see coming out with the shoe. You got that black sock liner in there. It says Nike Air there on the insole foot pad. You got the white leather for the uppers. Obviously that white patent leather. You got that ballistic mesh tongue on there. White shoelaces. It says Jumpman and Jordan across the tongue there in black lettering with that icy blue background to it and a little white Jumpman on there. Back of the heel, 2-3 written there on the back, Outsole, look at that. Icy blue, got that blue and black carbon fiber on there. You got some black here in the toe area, black in the heel, and then the white Jumpman under it. Such a cleanly executed sneaker, if I do say so myself. Now, this is the fourth iteration of the Air Jordan 11s. We got these 3 times prior, but this is the first time they've actually given it to us with that high cut patent leather, and I am not mad at these whatsoever. Let me go ahead and give you guys a look here at the right shoe. And here you go, and yeah, I forgot to mention, look at that Jumpman there on the heel. Now, I've actually never owned the Columbia 11s before. This is my first time having this pair here in the collection. Super happy to have these. Retail on these for tomorrow, December 14th, is gonna be $230. And I don't know what this shoe's actually going to do. I don't know, but you know what? We'll talk about that after I give you guys the on-feet visual and we'll close out. All right, there you go. A look at the Jordan 11 Legend Blues there on feet. Absolutely beautiful shoe. As far as sizing is concerned, you can stay true to size, or if you got a wide foot, go up half a size. Me personally, I got a narrow foot, so most of my Jordans I can go down half a size or stay at my true size 12, and they fit comfortably either way. As far as what I was saying earlier about how this shoe is gonna do come release day, which is tomorrow at the time that I'm shooting this video, I don't know. JD Sport Finish Line did exclusive access for in-store pickup, and in my area here in South Florida, they sat around. And the next day, for the ship to me option, which is available for everybody across the United States, they still sat around. So it's gonna be interesting, especially when they talked about over 1 million pairs have been made of this shoe worldwide. I mean, look, they always make a bunch of 11s, but I'd be highly surprised if this shoe actually sits around for the long term. But we'll just have to wait and see. In any case, please smash that like button for me. And if you are new to my channel, I appreciate you guys tapping in. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and click that notification bell so you can be notified every time I drop one of these videos. And make sure you check out me and the crew at the One Pair at a Time podcast channel for the sneaker cleaning box giveaway we are going to be doing, guys. This is Lewis of the Wear Your Kicks channel reminding you to be true, stay in the moment, and don't forget, every day is a great day to wear your kicks.